Hi guys, this is Florence 2 back with you with another oil change video. This time I'm using what they call liquid moly. This is synthetic motor oil, basically made for German automobiles, Audi, Porsches, different vehicles like that. It's supposed to be real good stuff. I got this oil off eBay from a place out of Orlando, Florida. I paid like $78 for the two jugs of oil. I think each of them are like 5 liters each, which roughly is maybe like 5.2 quarts. So that's basically almost 11 quarts combined with both of them, which I think was a really good deal. And I'm also using a man oil filter, which is supposed to be a lot better than the basic oil filters you can buy from different auto parts, which this man oil filter I purchased from Pep Boys, which now is starting to sell a lot of different things for German automobiles and different things like that. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and drain the oil out of the vehicle. I didn't figure I had to show all of that, but I'll also show me putting the oil and everything into the vehicle. And if we'll pause for 1 minute. And that's basically the cover that comes off the top of the engine and the cover that comes from under the bottom of the car once you take everything loose. And basically that's my oil pan, and this is basically under the bottom of the car, and basically that's right, the oil change and the oil plug. And basically if you look under the bottom of the vehicle, everything looks pretty good. So basically what I'm going to do is I'll proceed to drain it, and I'll be right back. Well, for some reason my driver's not working too good, so I guess I'm basically gonna have to do it manual way. Finally, I got the oil plug out, and look how dirty this oil is. And that's from maybe only like 5,000 miles. So hopefully the liquid moly does a lot better than that oil in there. This is basically the old oil filter that came off of the vehicle. This one right here. This one's what it looks like. Once you take it off, this is the type of oil filter that you have on it. Should give you something different at the parts store. It's the wrong one. Let's see. This one is finished drying. Looks like it's pretty much finished drying. So this is the main oil filter that's put back on the vehicle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the oil plug back in, and then I'll fill it back up with the oil. Make sure you wipe everything off. And you only wipe everything off just so if something's leaking, you'll know it's leaking. And that's the reason why you wipe everything off like that. And put this to the side. Get the cover that goes back on. Take it. Slide. Take the screws and put them back on. Okay, so once you reattach everything like that, you fill it back up with oil. basically, this is the oil that I use. This is synthetic motor oil. Really good oil. And I top it back off with that. And that basically ends your video. And I would want you to like and subscribe to me. But if you don't subscribe, just continue to watch the videos that I post. Thank you. And like I said, liquid moly is the oil that I would recommend you use. And man is the oil filter that I recommend you use in your Audi, Porsche, or Volkswagen. That's it.